Hey guys, in this video we'll be covering about the Google AdSense, specifically the overlay pop-up or so-called vignette, if I'm not mistaken. What you're seeing right now is an AdSense pop-up. I actually put an AdSense to my website, and I just think the overlay pop-up I don't really like it in my blog post. I don't want my viewers see it in the first place when they open my blog post, so I want this to be disabled. So let me just click X in here. So obviously you haven't really made a lot of beautifications to my website, but what I only want is this one, like an overlay. I mean, I'm fine with the floating in the bottom part, but I don't want the pop-up. So what you can do is go into your Google AdSense account, go to adsense.google.com, and then go into the ads. So if you go to the ad section, you should able to see all the websites that you have enabled an AdSense. So at the moment it's only Bookworm Head, and just simply click on the pencil icon, and then you should able to see different types of Google AdSense format. We have the intent like driving, which you can see usually inserted into the text. I am fine with that, but let's jump into the overlay section. At the moment, the three formats are enabled. There is an anchor ads, which I don't want to enable this because I still want them to see my header. So we're going to disable that part, and specifically the vignette ads. It's a full screen ads that appear between the page loads. I really don't like that. I think it's gonna stay away my viewers. You also have an options to allocate your pop-ups. So for example, the side rail pop-ups. And by the way, there is in the anchor one, you also can put something like let's say if you enable the anchor, if you want to keep it something like that, probably that's also fine. If you want it to be just the bottom part or at the top, but I still don't want to enable that part. Probably in the future I might gonna enable it. So for the side rail ads, you have an options to either just want it to be left or both left and right. At the moment I want to enable the both left and right, but in the future I want it to be right only, because I'll be putting a table of content floating into my blog. But yeah, at the moment let's just make that left to right. Now for the vignette ad frequency, if you enable that part, you also have an option if you want to put a frequency in case you want that to happen, to enable the pop-up. You can adjust the frequency so it doesn't really look too much for your website. But yeah, I don't really like to put vignette ads at the moment, although the vignette ads really have a very good cost per result. But yeah, so I don't want that at the moment, so I think we're fine with that. And yeah, that's how it works. If you have any question, let me know. Bye.